Hi, I'm Maahi. I'm a second year sociology major and I studied sociology in school too. And the reason that I've pursued it further in my college is, well, it's kind of really simple. It's just because I could see and understand sociology in my real life. Like everything that I'm studying in my textbooks is something that I can notice and observe around me. And this is something that I learned after my first year that everything around me has a sociality and sociology can be found in everything. So that relation and trying to notice all of them is something that's been really fun. So, yeah.
Yeah, I mean, rather than saying, why I study sociology at Shiv Nadar University, it's more like, why this place has actually motivated me to continue studying. And so, I'm Kabir, I'm a fourth year sociology major, and I want to continue sociology after SNU as well, because it's essentially taught me that we aren't here to look for answers. I came here as a very motivated freshman, looking for answers to things. And that's just not what we're into over here, or in sociology in general. And sociology and social anthropology, you kind of look at questions and you kind of realize that the world already sees things in a specific way, and there are multiple ways of seeing the same thing. And that's what we kind of specialize in. And it could be through any lens. And another strength of the university is that our faculty can really give us many perspectives. We have people who specialize in kinship and queer studies, or be it pastoralism and nomadism, or visuality, or law, and we have all these different perspectives to kind of look at the world in which the world itself can't realize that it looks at.
I'm Aadera. I'm a third year sociology major. And as Kabir was mentioning, I think the varied experiences that our professors have really help us break through the boundaries of, understanding academia within like classrooms and sociology as this theoretical subject. It really, with the field work and the kind of research work that we indulge in, it really helps us understand that sociology is not defined within like textbooks and papers. It's a lot of audiovisual material, and also being able to go on to different places and interacting with communities, staying there for a long period of time, and really understanding the community and the kind of everyday experiences that we're trying to observe and bring frameworks from the class to these fields. So it really helps break a lot of not just I think classroom academia stereotypes, but it also helps in us understanding and growing personally, uh, because I think sociology really like questions and doesn't look for answers. As Kabir mentioned, it really makes you question something further and understand the social and political context things lie within, and what they mean and manifest into for other people.